Hello students, let's begin our online lesson. Smiles 1, Our World. Бірінші сынып оқушыларына арналған Smile-ы Our World. Our world and my family. Listen, point and read. This is my friend Dana. This is her daddy. His name is Sultan. This is her mommy. Her name is Görkem. This is her sister. Her name is Asel. This is her brother. His name is Berek. Now let's translate. Мынау менің досым, Дана. Мынау оның әкесі, оның аты Сұлтан. Мынау оның анасы, оның аты Көркем. Мынау оның әпкесі, оның аты Асел. Мынау оның ағасы, оның аты Берік. Let's read once more. This is my friend Dana. This is her daddy. His name is Sultan. This is her mommy. Her name is Görkem. This is her sister. Her name is Asel. This is her brother. His name is Berek. Look at the next activity. Let's make sentences. Қанекей сөйлем құрастырып үйренейік. Mommy, daddy, friend, brother, sister. My, her, his, name. Осы берілген сөздерден сөйлем құрастырып көрейік. Ана, әке, дос, аға, қарындас, менің, оның қыздарға қолданамыз. His, оның ұлдарға қолданамыз. Name, ат, есімі. Let's go. This is мынау. This is my daddy. His name is Ali. Мынау менің әкем. Оның аты Ali. This is my mommy. Her name is Ayşe. Мынау менің анам. Оның аты Ayşe. This is my brother. His name is Didar. Мынау менің ағам. Оның аты Дидар. This is my sister. Her name is Aygul. Мынау менің әпкем. Оның аты Aygul. What's your daddy's, mommy's, brother's, sister's names? Сенің анаңның, әкеңнің, ағаңның, әпкеңнің аттары қалай? Now let's have a talk. What's your daddy's name? What's your mommy's name? What's your brother's name? What's your sister's name? Let's do the next activity. Let's go to the zoo. So friends, what can you see in this picture? Қанекей достарым, мына суреттен нені көріп тұрсыңдар? First, camels. Second, elephants. Third, snakes. Fourth, zebras. Fifth, deer. Repeat once more. Camels, elephants, snakes, zebras, deer. Ерекше көңіл бөліп назарлауыңды аударыңдар балалар. Deer сөзінің көпше түрі де, жекеше түрі де өзгеріссіз қолданылады. Еліктер deer, елік deer. Let's do the next activity. Ask questions. What are these? So, pupils, what can you see on these pictures? What are these? They are camels. What are these? They are elephants. What are these? They are deer. What are these? They are zebras. Repeat after me. They are camels. They are elephants. They are deer. They are zebras. Яғни балалар, what are these? Бұлар нелер? They are олар. They are camels. Олар түйелер. They are elephants. Олар пілдер. They are deer. Олар еліктер. They are zebras. Олар зебралар. The next activity. What's the matter? Не болды? Listen, point and repeat. Head, arm, tummy, leg, foot. Head, arm, tummy, leg, foot. Look and act out. Oh, what's the matter? My arm hurts. Let me see. Well done, children. Now look at the pictures and make sentences. Picture 1. My head hurts. Picture 2. My arm hurts. Picture 3. My leg hurts. Picture 4. My foot hurts. Бұл жердегі hurts деген сөз ауырып тұр деген мағынаны білдіреді. My head hurts. Басым ауырып тұр. My leg hurts. Аяғым ауырып тұр. My arm hurts. Қолдарым ауырып тұр. My foot hurts. Аяқтарым ауырып тұр. Let's do the next activity. Let's travel. Listen, point, and repeat. By car, by bus, by plane, by bike, on foot. Repeat once more. By car, by bus, by plane, by bike, on foot. Well done, children. Let's do the next task. Choose, talk with your friend. Go to school. Go to the park. Go to your friend's house. Go on holiday. Go shopping. Go to school. Мектепке бару. Go to the park. Паркке бару. Go to your friend's house. Досыңның үйіне бару. Go on holiday. Демалысқа бару. Go shopping. Сауда жасау. Now, children, try to answer to this question. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. The next activity is let's practice. How do you go to school? I go to school by car. How do you go to the park? I go to the park by bus. How do you go to your friend's house? I go to my friend's house by bike. How do you go on holiday? I go on holiday by plane. How do you go shopping? I go shopping on foot. Now look at these pictures. Let's remember the phrases. Мына суреттерге қарап, қалай баратынымызды айтып көрейік. By car, by bus, by bike, by plane, on foot. Well done, children. Let's do the next activity. My favorite place. Follow the lines and talk to your friend. What is Saule's favorite place? Follow her line and try to answer correctly. What is Saule's favorite place? Her favorite place is Beluga Mountain. What is Talgat's favorite place? His favorite place is the Ili River. What is Serik's favorite place? His favorite place is Burabai Lake. Now let's revise our previous activity. So children, how do you travel? How do you go? And how do you walk in your free time? Do you go to school by car, by bus, by plane, by bike, or on foot? How do you go to school? Let's answer correctly. Yes, you're right. I go to school by car. How do you go to the park? I go to the park by bus. And how do you go to your friend's house? I go to my friend's house by bike. How do you go on holiday? I go on holiday by plane. How do you go shopping? I go shopping on foot. So children, this is the end of our online lesson. Thank you for your attention. Stay at home and study.